Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys being slow. To know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys being slow, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of stumble guys. Then you will enter to force stop. After that we click storage. Here we go to click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Stumble Guys app. When you find it, then you can click update to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.